Now may I request Mr. Praveen Saxena, who is the Executive Director at NTPC, to propose a vote of thanks. He's a mechanical engineer from NIT Durgapur and he has 33 years of experience with NTPC. He has worked on project construction, business development, mergers and acquisition. Currently, he is the whole-time director at NTPC GE Power Services Limited. Mr. Saxena.
Thank you very much. Honorable panelists on the dais, honorable delegates, dignitaries, organizers, clean power, which is the principal theme of this two-day exposition, is no longer a choice, it is actually a compulsion. Affordable power is a given in the kind of demography which we live in. We had great thought leaders from the industry. We have Dr. Kakotkar, who during the tea also was saying very important thing, don't be reactive, be proactive. I think that is name of the game. We don't have to follow what others are imposing on us. We have to look for our own unique solutions which are clean and affordable. Mr. Mehta has been spearheading the solar space, the clean energy space in any which way he has been doing. ISA is another example of the initiatives which currently are underway. Mr. Jha, with all his experience in coal-based power generation and conventional power generation, raised very to right issues of flexibilization of generation, as well as the possible complexity going forward once the EV space increases to a very large extent as the government is planning. Mr. Shailendra Roy also raised the issue of industrialization and the time gap between the policies and the actions. I think these are all wonderful thought, and they lay just the foundation for all of us to deliberate in next 2 days. I'm sure these inputs will act as an impetus for all of us. I thank you all, sirs, for having given time and given good ideas to all the industry representatives who are here from all sides of the power value chain. I thank all delegates for having taken out time from their busy schedules to spend something, work out a policy, and I'm sure the inputs of these 2 days will also help our policymakers in giving us all our directions. And in the end, I thank Chemtech Foundation, Mr. Jaswai and his team for making all the big minds meet together. Thank you all very much once again.
We'll now take a small break for tea and coffee, but please be back in 10 minutes as we are running short of time. Thanks.